What's the meaning of breathing? Breathing. Breathing.
Breathing. Breathing. Breathing refers to the process of taking air in and out of the lungs. It is a vital physiological function that helps to supply oxygen to the body's cells and remove carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of cellular metabolism. Breathing also plays an important role in regulating the body's pH balance and helping to maintain homeostasis. In addition, breathing is closely linked with various other bodily functions, including the respiratory, cardiovascular, and nervous systems. Overall, proper breathing is essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being.